that aren't popping up. Okay, I need a check from Brad. Brad's good. You're in third. Well, technically second. Who's that? Who? You said Dan? Okay. Dan's good. Okay, so Owen, and this is going to be the running order. Owen, Brad, Tyson, Robert, Scott, Tyson Marquette, Riley, Steve, John, Hal, I still need a check from Hal, Dan, and then David, and I still need a check from David. Is David making it? Is David still here?
Here.
His card's gone. Okay, I got marshals on the tone. Less than 5. With 1 minute down, I got Owen out front, followed by Brad, Tyson, Robert, Riley, Steve, Scott, Tyson Marquette, John, and Dan. Down, 3:14 to go. Up next, Four-Mod Buggy A1. You guys should be ready to go. So far, we still got Owen out front, followed by Tyson, Brad, Robert, Riley, Tyson Marquette. Looks like Steve pulled his car off the track. 2:30 down, 2:30 to go, the halfway point. Two minutes left on the master clock, drivers, 2 minutes left. Owen out front, followed by Tyson Wilcox, Brad, Riley, and Robert, your top 5. Your top 3 drivers all on the lead lap. They're all about 13 seconds apart. 1:40 left on the master clock. I need a marshal on the front stretch. Marshal on the front stretch. He's on this side. This side. Are you? Which side, Dan? go. Seconds, drivers. 14 seconds. Before them on buggy, start staging them in the in-between lanes. Race clock has expired. Race them to the line.
Car 1 is done.
Riley and Dan, you're both done.
Car 4 is done.